Hello everybody! Today we will speak how many taxes you need to pay when you buy property in Northern Cyprus. I think everybody knows that today property in Northern Cyprus becomes more and more expensive. There are many new taxes, but not a lot of people understand for what you should pay, and today we will discuss. So is it true that you need to pay about 20% more than price of your apartments for taxes? The biggest taxes here are for the title, and we have a new video about differences of Northern Cyprus and Turkey, and in this video we talked about titles in Northern Cyprus, so you should watch this video. So now let's begin. All information about taxes. So what taxes we pay here? First payment you should pay, of course, for your property, and after that or during that you should pay these taxes. The first tax is registration in land Cadaster. It is 6%, and you pay it before the stamp duty payment. Stamp duty is 0.5%, and you should pay it during 21 days from buying your property and signing all the documents. Then you should pay lawyers, so price starts from £700, and practically every real estate company has their own lawyer, but you should pay for it in any company, or even you can find your own lawyer. And it is really important because, of course, real estate companies, they help you, they read all the documents, but only lawyer can really be sure that everything is clean. So, and in this case, you will be safe. So you should really pay for lawyer. The interesting thing that here in Northern Cyprus, only Cypriots can be lawyers, and they study here, so in these universities, and also they study in England. And for example, if you are not a native liver and you come here and you want to be a lawyer, it's impossible. So you should know about it. Then you pay VAT, it is 5%. Then transfer of title deeds, you can pay it when your complex is ready or when title will be ready, because here it is really interesting that, for example, some complexes get title during 1 year or even when complex is ready. In other complexes, people wait for title for 5 years and for more years. Here is such a thing that all buildings should be ready, and only in this case building company gets title. So that is why many people are waiting for so many years, because there are some complexes where there are many buildings. One more interesting thing, that even 6 months ago many people didn't pay for title, because you had an opportunity to buy property, to live there, then to sell it without paying for title. But now there are new rules, and you pay for title 6% when you buy property, and after you pay 6% when title is ready. So, and together it is 12% only for title. Then you pay transformation fee. It's from £1,500 to £3,000, and you pay it when it is handover. You should pay for connection of matters. It is about £200, and you pay it also when it is handover. So these payments are taxes. So, and I counted, it is about 18-20%. It is, I think, rather big. So for example, you should understand that you buy a property for £100,000. In all, you will pay £120,000, and it's not all, because many building companies, when they sell property, they sell it with ready finish. So you have ready floors, you have ready walls, you have ready kitchen and toilet and bath, but you don't have even electronic devices, furniture. And you should do everything by yourself, or you can even buy design package. In some complexes it starts from £10,000, so you should know even about this, so price becomes bigger. And now we will speak about monthly payments. Property tax is totally for 1 meter, so you pay it per year. Electricity is 4 TL per kilowatt. Complex maintenance. So maybe you didn't hear such word, but I will now explain you what is it. So when you buy property, in most complexes there is a good infrastructure, or swimming pools, or parking, so any infrastructure. If there is any infrastructure, you pay this fee. So, and it begins here from 60 euros in the best complexes. So, and if you have studio, you will pay about 60 euros, but if you have villa, you can pay even 200 euros. So everything depends on complex, and everything depends how many meters you have. So the other thing that it is monthly payment, but in most complexes people pay yearly, so you pay for 12 months. Then water supply. So we have spoken about new property, so which will be ready in some years, where there are many good payment plans, where you can pay 30% and after that you pay 70% during 2 years or during 8 years. Everything depends on building company. But the other thing, when you buy ready property, like it's like second hand, but this kind of property is not old. It is not 10 years old. It can be even 2 years old, but if it is not with payment plans, we call it like second hand. So in this case, it is now really good to buy it because there are less taxes if a previous owner has paid everything. And now I will tell you how much money you need to pay for such kind of property, for ready property. The first thing, if you are an owner of property and you want to sell it, you should pay for it from 35 till 50% so of its price. For example, if you bought apartments in new complex and you decided to do payment plans, so this percent from 35 till 50 should be paid. And only after that you can sell, but it's not in all complexes. For example, in many complexes you should pay 100% before selling. So when you buy property, you should discuss all these things with building company. Then you should pay registration of assignment of rights. It's from 1,000 till 3,000 pounds. And then income tax, so it is 4% and half from price of this property. So in this case, you see, when owner has paid all taxes and even taxes for title, it is very convenient to buy ready property because you don't need to spend this 12% for title. So, and in this case now, if to watch prices, if to analyze prices, I can say that ready property is cheaper than new property, because when you buy new property you can pay during some years, so in this case prices are high. For ready property, no. For example, if we speak about Famagusta, new property, for example studios, start from 70,000 pounds, but ready apartments with ready design, with ready furniture in good building will cost 50,000 pounds. So you see difference, and that is why now in this case with all these taxes, I think it is also a good idea to buy ready apartments. And now please write in comments what taxes for property are in your countries and what do you think about taxes in Northern Cyprus. So you were on channel Live Cyprus, Surkon Estate, and now it's time to say you goodbye. I remind you that my name is Lilia. Bye bye.